What's up, you guys? I'm Lauren from Taste Better from Scratch, and today I'm going to show you how to make my husband's all-time favorite pie, key lime pie. It is super fast and simple to make, you guys. It only has 4 ingredients in the filling. It has a really easy graham cracker crust. I'm telling you, even the most amateur baker in the world is going to look like a pro after making this key lime pie. So let's get started. This pie starts with the easiest homemade graham cracker crust. All you need is graham crackers and melted butter. Super fast to make, and it tastes way better than those store-bought ones. To start this recipe, we're starting with my secret ingredient, which is softened cream cheese. You want to make sure this is at room temperature so that it blends really smoothly. The cream cheese is just going to give the pie creaminess, but also a little bit of stability so that it has those super smooth, nice slices when we serve it. So I'm going to mix this nice and smooth before we add our other 3 ingredients. Next, we'll add 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. I do use full fat sweetened condensed milk and full fat cream cheese. Next, I'm adding 3/4 cup of lime juice. I like this Nellie & Joe's Key West lime juice. You could also juice your own key limes. They're very small, so you'll need about 20 key limes. Lastly, we're gonna zest 2 fresh limes. This is essential because it gives this pie that wonderful boost of flavor. It also adds those pretty specks of green throughout the pie that gives it its signature look. All right, we're gonna mix everything together. I like to use hand mixers because it's easier. This really is the easiest pie to make. Like, my 8-year-old can make this. It's so delicious and simple. I've baked my graham cracker crust for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my filling. I'm gonna bake this pie at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So my pie has cooled completely and set up. You can serve it just like this with a dollop of whipped cream. I like to make it look a little bit fancy, so I've got some freshly whipped cream in a piping bag with just a large flour tip, whatever tip you want that's kind of large. We'll pipe some pretty little swirls on here with whipped cream and add some limes. It really makes it look beautiful with hardly any effort. Look at this pie, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. It's the perfect combination of tart and sweet, complemented by that graham cracker crust. This is definitely the perfect key lime pie, and I can't wait for you to try it. Thanks for watching, and head to tastebetterfromscratch.com for this and more recipes that taste better from scratch.